I think I found something. Oh, you know what that is? No, we're gonna save that for you. Wait till the end, I'll show you what that is. Yeah, it was in that bucket. You find a ton of license. Follow me as I clean this thing out, because you're not gonna wanna miss this. So trust me. Okay, basically what you have is you have a lint trap, and you have all your gray matter, gray water, which is your laundry machines, floor drains, but you don't have your bathroom. So none of this is poop water, okay? None of this is pee. What you have is you have an inlet pipe, which is over here in front of me. And then it has an outgo pipe on the other side. This tank is about, I'd say about 2 feet deep. And normally what you have is you have a screen. So your water comes in, it gets filtered, all the heavies get dropped out of it, and then the water passes out through these holes, through these filters, to the other side and goes down your sewer. What you're trying to prevent with this thing is this going down the city sewer. What happened is the other day this got plugged because the screens are too thin. So we're working on getting the right size screens, but the screens are too thin. So I pulled this out and I let this fill up, and that was a bad thing, because what I have now is I have 10 times the amount of that garbage down in there I gotta pull out before I put this back. So I have a hell of a mess. So that's what we're up to. So we gotta clean this, we gotta clean this out, and I get to get dirty. All right, so what you're gonna need for this, if you have to suck something out like this, you need a good shop vac or a pump. Even a pump would work. I use a shop vac, this is the way I roll. So I got my extension cord, I got my shop vac. I'm going to suck all the liquid out I can. Thank God there's nobody in the laundromat, so it's not gonna just fill right back up on me. This shouldn't take too long, maybe half an hour. But I'm gonna suck this up and I'm gonna dump it in my slop sink, the water, and then I'm gonna dig out the muck. So let's get started. It's gonna stink worse than your cards. Okay, just an FYI. You gonna make it?
I'll be fine.
Yummy! Yummy! Watching your face is priceless. So would you guys like to own a laundromat now? People ask me one question. They say, how do you know how to do all this? Well, my grandfather and my dad were plumbers, okay? And they owned their own plumbing business. And so ever since I was like 6, 7, 8 years old, I have gone along with my dad doing plumbing jobs. And when I was 7, I helped him put in a septic field. So this does not bother me. Like since I've been like the age of 7, I have done this kind of work. What do you think this guy's could be, huh? Oh. Hopefully it's not, no, I don't think it's money. Oh, I thought it was money for sure. I don't know what the hell it is. Snake eyes, guys, snake eyes, sorry. Never seen Investment Joy do this. Oh, we're gonna dig out as much big stuff as we can. Save ourselves a lot of headache. All this has to get dumped into the trash can. It's actually pretty much mostly solids. It's not liquid that much. Basically, this is a lot of lint. I know that's hard to believe, but that's what this is. It looks like mud, but it doesn't smell like mud. I wish you had smell-o-vision, because you wouldn't like this. Garbage guys, I'd be like, what the fuck is this shit? I think this is Mayberry's comb. I think this is his. He left it here.
Oh shit. I'm having fun. Okay, be careful. Oh shoot. Oh no.
You remember this? We kind of thought it was some random piece of paper. I don't know if you can make it out, but it's you're starting to see the print coming across. I'm gonna soak it in some stuff and see if I can clean it. This is money. One of the things in your lint separator, you'll find coins, you'll find bra wires, you'll find toothpicks, you'll find phone charger cables, but you'll find money, paper money, because a lot of people leave this in their pocket and they obviously don't clean them out and it comes out. So we're gonna see if we can clean this up without destroying it. We're getting closer. Almost. Can you see it at all in there? Yeah, see that?
Oh yeah.
See that? That's the pyramid?
Pyramid, it's a dollar bill.
Okay. We got $1. All that for $1, guys. Well, we're finding money, see? That's how laundromats are. There's money just everywhere. In the drains, behind the washers, in the buckets. See, here's where the water's coming from the washer. That's the bottom of it. You can see how clean it is now. Now we're just gonna slip this back in like it goes. There you go. This is how it'll work. That'll fill up and then drain out and then pass on through. And this will catch all the junk. This is what it should look like. The biggest thing is those screens need to be bigger. They're too small and the lint gets caught very easily. So it's kind of a nightmare. I shouldn't have to clean it out every day. But a lot of this ick, this muck, that's lint. That's lint and it's lint broke down into water basically. Well, that's how you clean your lint separator at the laundromat. If anybody wants to help out next time or wants to do it, just leave a comment down below. I'd be more than glad to have you do that project for me. Until next time, take it easy. Don't be a stranger.